Welcome back to Genexhaust. Today we are demonstrating how to measure your generator's exhaust tailpipe for a weld-on exhaust fitting. The dimensions shown in today's video are critical because there is no one-size-fits-all exhaust fitting. Sizes and configurations of generator exhaust tailpipes vary from one generator model to the next, sometimes even within the same model line. The two critical dimensions are outside diameter and length of the tailpipe. First, you will need to remove any guards or shrouds blocking access to the tailpipe. Next, you will want to remove the spark arrestor. It is important to remove the spark arrestor so the measurement of the generator exhaust tailpipe outside diameter is accurate. There are multiple methods for taking these measurements. The preferred method would be a set of calipers, as you can see here in the demonstration. A secondary method would be to use an open-end wrench for the outside diameter and a tape measure for the length. Genexhaust weld-on exhaust fittings have a weld surface that is machined to have a cross-sectional area that is similar to the muffler body for ease of welding. The outlet of the exhaust fitting can be one of two options. One, a precision machined surface for tight running clearance between the inside diameter of the extension tubing and the outside diameter of the exhaust fitting. Or A, an optional output selection is with tapered threads machined to National Pipe Taper standards. These are the same types of threads used in leak-proof applications such as water, air, and natural gas. As you can see, these exhaust fittings would be butt welded to the body of the muffler. You may also notice there is a clearance between the inside diameter of the exhaust fitting and the outside diameter of the muffler tailpipe. We have numerous options available for all types of muffler output sizes. Remember, there is no one size fits all. Measure the outside diameter of the tailpipe and the length.